Hello students, welcome to Tiger's digital online classes. So in mathematics, we are finished with our first two chapters. Now we'll start with a third chapter, that is a playing with numbers. In that, we'll see first topic, that is factors and multiples. Okay, so let's consider a number 10. So how we write a number 10? We can write as a 2 into 5. Yes, because it comes in these tables. So uh, 2 and 5 are the factors of 10. What we can say, 2 and 5 are the factors of 10. Yes, these are the factors of tens. Okay, and 10 is a multiple of 2 and 5. It is multiple of, I'm just denoting by a letter, so understand, multiple of 2 and 5. Understood how to remove factors and how to remove factors and multiples? Yeah. So 10, if we consider other number 6, how can we write the number 6? 2 into 3. Yes. So what is a factor of 6? 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. And what is a multiple of 6 is a multiple of, sorry, 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3, because we multiply both the numbers. When we multiply number with the other, it becomes multiple of that number. Understood? Okay, so this is the way we remove the factors and multiples. For removing factors and multiple, we should know table very well. Okay, now there are some rules of this factors and multiples. So let's see the rules of that. You can say rules or the properties also. Okay, so I'll erase this thing. Wait, okay, clear. Now, as we say, first rule, 1 is a factor of all the number. So what we are saying, what this rules first rule says, 1, because in here if we multiply by 10 by 1, yes, 10 ones are 1, sorry, 10 ones are 10, 2 tens are 2 ones are 2, 5 ones are 5. Whatever number we multiply by 1, the answer will get as it is. Yes, so 1 is a factor of all the number. If we multiply 100 multiply by 1, so we get the factor, what we get the answer 100. So 1 can multiply and it is a factor of all the number. This is very important. Remember, 1 is the factor of all the number. Then second one, number itself is a factor, because when that number comes in his table also, it comes, see, like we can say the 10. 10 comes in 2's table, 2 5's are 10. Also it comes in a 5's table as a 5 2's are 10. And even though it comes in itself tables also, 10 ones are 10. So 10, it's a number itself is a factor. If we see 6, 6 also comes its in own table, so 6 is also its factor. Understood? Number itself is a factor. Next, third one, number of factors are fixed, means it is finite. It might be many, means one number might have 20 factors, 30 factors, 15 factors, but the number of that factor is fixed. It can't be it can be more increased or it can be decreased. So just we can say that 10, if the 10 is let's consider as a 10 factor. So first rule, according to our first rule, 1 is also it's a factor. Then we got 10 in 2's table, so 2 is its factor, 5 its factor. Yes, then it is there in number itself, it is factor. So in any other table, do we get a 10? Yes? No. So these are the factor of a 10. Understood? So this we can, if we didn't get 10 in other number, there is no, other number of the table. See, if we see the 2's table, we get 10 over there. If we see 3's table, can we do we get 10 in the 3's table? No. 4, no. 5, yes. 6. Remember the tables. For this, your table should be, you should learn the table. The table should be by hearted. So remember the tables. So 10 itself has 11. Do the 11 in the 11's table, 10 is there? No. Understood? So the number of these factors are fixed. It can't be increased. Okay? It is a finite. But opposite to the factors, the number of multiples are infinite. How? If we consider a number 2. So 2 multiply by with any number, we get the answer. See, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6, then 4 twos are 8, 5 twos are 10, yes, 6 twos are 12, 7 twos are 8, 7 twos are 14. So well, the multiples of the 2's are infinite. After 10, we can multiply 11 by 2. So what answer will get 22. 12 twos are 24. So this way the numbers are multiples of a numbers are infinite. Understood? If you multiply 1000 by 2, answer will we get 2000. Yes? So remember, number of factors are finite, means it is a fixed, but number of multiples are infinite because it is multiplied by all the numbers. Okay. Now, fifth one, factors are equal to less than the numbers are equal to or, oh sorry, or, here should be or. I'll write here so that you'll understand. Equal to or less than, or less than the number. How? Let's consider a fact 10. So number, you can see the factors in this 10 factor. The number are factors are equal to. What is the factor? Which factors we are removing? Which numbers factor we are removing? 10. So 10 is there. So it is equal to. But the before numbers are less than the number. Yes, 5 is less than 10, 2 is less than 10, 1 is less than 10. So factors are equal to or less than the number. It is not greater than the number. The last number of the factors are whatever the number itself. Okay, not more than that. But the multiples are either equal or greater than the, oh, just equal or greater than the number. How? See, what is the multiple of 10 is multiple of 2 and 5. Yes, what I had told you. 10 is multiple of 2 and 5. 1, 2 and 5. So whatever the number, if we see the multiple 2, multiples are either equal or greater than the or greater than number. See, 2 is greater than 10. So whatever the multiple it is, we are getting the greater than number. Understood? How we are how the sixth rule is having the values. Understood? See how. See 2. Let's consider 2. Whenever we multiply by 2, 2 ones are 2. We got an equal multiple. When we multiply by 2 with the other numbers, whatever the answer we'll get, it is greater than 2. Okay. So when we multiply 2 fives are, it is a 10. So it is greater than 2. 2 threes are 6, greater than 2. 2 sevens are 14, greater than 2. So whatever the multiples we are getting, they are either equal or greater than that number. Understood how what are the rules of factors and multiples? Okay, so these rules you should remember. If it is possible, write somewhere in your notebook in the starting of the paper, starting of the chapter only, rules or properties for multi-factors and multiples, and write all these rules one by one. With example, if it is possible, you can write with example also. You'll get example in your textbook. So it will be easy to understand what exactly the rules are saying. Let's solve some example for of factors and multiples. Okay. Okay, let's take this example. What they had asked us to remove the factors of the following. Okay, so number I had to take that 24. So factors, we know that the number in which comes in the tables of the other numbers, that are the factors of that number. So 24, let's start from the 1. It comes in 1, 24, so 24. Then after that, in 2's table, yes, 2 12s are 24. Then in 3's table, did 24 comes? Yes. 3 8s are, sorry, 8s are 24. In 4's table, yes, 4 6 are 24. Then in 5's table, no, 6, yes, 6 4s are 24, but we had already written the number 4 6 are 24. Then 7, no. Then 8, after 4, sorry, after 4 5 comes na. 5 tables, no. Then 6 tables, yes, 6 4s are 24. Then 7 table, no. 8 3 8, 8 3s are, it is already we had written that 3 8s are, that is vice versa only. Then 9, no. 10, no. 11, no. 12, yeah, 12 twos are 24. We already had written 2 12s are 24. So these are the factors of 24. Well, let's circle it. 1, 24. See, one count as a rule, according to the first rule of the factors, we have 1 itself, it's a factor. Then number itself is a factor. Then 2 is a factor of this number. 12, 3, 8, 4, sorry, 4, 6. Yes, these are the factors of the factors of 24. Understand how to remove the factors of the number. Now let's remove the multiples of the number. If we take a number 5. So 5, what is a multiples? Multiples means that it's already the table of that number. That means 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So whatever the table multiples, whatever the table it is there, it is all itself, it is multiple of that number. Okay. Multiple itself, it's a number of that table. So I'll write here, mention here multiple, so you'll not get confused. Multiple of number. Okay, so 5 into 2, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, then 5 elevens are 55, 5 twelves are 60, so on. The multiples are infinite, what we had said, that multiples of the number are infinite. Whatever the number multiplied by other numbers, that are the multiples of that number. Okay, understood how to remove factors and multiples of the number? So from this first exercise, it is based on the factors and multiples only. Exercise 3.1, 4 questions they had given. Yeah, 4 questions they had given. You have to solve that question. This will be the homework for today's session. Okay, so solve the homework, and I'll start with the next topic, that is a prime number and composite number. So 2 topics I'll finish today. So first exercise you have to do in your notebook. Okay, don't forget to do that in your notebook. So our next topic is prime number and composite number. So as a definition we see for the prime number and composite number. Prime number has 2 factors. Means the number, prime number means what? It has, each number has only 2 factors, the number itself and 1. Just like if we consider prime, let's see the prime number that 2, 3, 5, 7, 13. If you observe, these numbers comes in only in their tables, they don't come in other tables. See, 2 comes in, it's only in his table only. It doesn't come in 3's table, 4's table, 5's table. Okay, 3, it comes in itself table only. Even the 5, 7, 13, prime number means what? That number which doesn't come in other tables. It has only its 2 factor, that itself, the number itself, and only the 1. Okay, so 13 is there, 17, 19, yes, 23. This is the prime number, means the number which doesn't come in others table, or the number which comes in only its table, and the other factor is a 1. Okay, these are the prime number. Prime composite number, it is opposite to the prime number. That means the number which comes in, which has more than one factor, means it comes in all many and different tables. Composite number like 4, 8, 9, 24, yes, 21, 10, 15. So all these numbers comes in other numbers also. It has more than one factor. Yeah, 4 has 2, 8. These are the factors of the 4. Even the 1 and 4 itself. So composite number means what? The number which has more than one factor, and prime number means which have it is itself factor, and one which has only 2 factors. Okay, and they doesn't come in other number. If you observe the prime number, 2 is a smallest prime number, and after 2 all the numbers are odd numbers. Yeah, so 3, 5, 7, 13, 17, 19, 23, these all are odd number except 2. So 2 is a smallest prime number. If we see 1, you can say that 1 is a prime number because it doesn't come in any other table. Yeah, but the 1 is neither prime number, neither composite number. Okay, so this is the concept of prime number and composite number. Understood what is a prime number and composite number? So after finishing this exercise 3.1, you have to complete exercise 3.2. It's not for very much solving questions. It's just a true or false and little bit odd and even number. So it's not too big lengthy homework. Complete the homework in your notebook in neat and clean manner. Okay. So do your homework. If you have any query, let me know on a WhatsApp. I'll give answer over there. Okay. Take care. Bye.